Per scene lighting works with your Elgato Key lights, enabling a scene change in XSplit Broadcaster 4.0 to change your lighting conditions in your room. First, make sure you have the Elgato Control Center software installed on your computer. Next up, let's install the Per Scene Lighting extension by heading to the plugin store by clicking the Extensions drop-down menu, Add Extensions, and Find More Extensions. Once you have the extension installed and open, you'll see the default option. Set this one up as how you usually have your lights for most scenarios. Under Devices, you'll see any key lights you have installed. Expand the menu and you can in real time set the light from cool to warm and bright to dark, or even off completely. Now we can start setting up per scene lighting. Click the plus symbol in the Add Scene menu and add whichever scenes you wish to have different lighting and set it up the same way we set up the default by moving the sliders to the brightness and temperature you want. When you change back this new scene, the lighting will change automatically. If you're using multiple key lights and only want one to change from the default we set up at the start, you can check the Use Default Lighting setting on that light, and only the one selected will change when you change scene. Now you can switch between scenes and watch your lighting change. Per scene lighting adds a whole new level of production to your broadcast, and we can't wait to see the imaginative ways you'll use it. Be sure to follow our socials, subscribe on YouTube for more tutorials, and reach out to our 24/7 customer support if you run into any issues.